Hello everyone, my name is Vinod Balakrishnan and I'll be guiding you through this Dolibarr training session. I come with a background in project management and implementation with over 5 years of experience, helping teams adopt tools that streamline operations and improve productivity. Today we will be focusing on how effectively use Dolibarr for managing and project tracking. So let me give you an overview about the Dolibarr. Dolibarr is an open source ERP and CRM system that's designed to help business of all sizes, whether you are a freelancer, a small company, or large organizations which manage daily operations in one place. It combines everything from sales, HR, finance, and inventory, offering a flexible and modular approach that allows teams to use only the tools they actually need. Well, Dolibar is supported by a global network of developers actually, which are translators and business users. So this is an open source model. The open source model means the platform is always improving. So that's it about the overview. And now let's go dive into the Dolibar website first of all. So before diving into the website, let me tell you how you can use a demo website. Go to the Google and type Dolibar ERP demo, and over here you'll get the link, direct link for the demo to the website. Click the demo, and you will be guided to Dolibar .org website where you can, whether you want, you can download the software and do testing, or else in the cloud platform itself you can do the testing. So let's click the test now. There are a lot of services and versions from the Dolly bar. In this we will be taking this one, Dolly Cloud. Let's take Dolly Cloud actually. So let's sign in for free trials. Just provide your email ID and whichever the company or organization. This is dummy, so you can use any dummy company details and phone number, password, repeat your password, country, choose application address, then sign me up. So once you sign in, this is how it will look like. This is for your demo purpose so that you can explore the CRM website. So this is how your dashboard will look like. Well, there won't be any of these like third parties, projects, commerce, document, agenda, or ticket. Any of these. Only you will be getting the home and the tool most probably. So let's see how to add these modules. These are the modules actually. Third parties, projects, commerce, document, agendas, and ticket. These are the modules which we will be adding manually. Go to setup. See, first of all, we need to add the company or organization which we are working for. Over here, I have you can see I have the company name. I have given TEMS demo of Vinod and the main currency which is Indian rupees, and the country it's India, and address which I have provided for the company which I am working right now. Now the zip code. This is the demo. This is for the demo purpose, so I'm not providing you the proper details or the real details. Anyhow, so this is the zip number, then the town, whichever the state, phone number, then the mobile, email ID, and you can also choose the image, logo image for the company. The details, notes, bring speed. This is our motto: bring speed, innovation, and resilience to your business with tailored tech and consulting solutions. Save this. Now, when you come down, there will be details which we need to provide more, like manager, who is the manager, who is the data protection officer, capital, how much capital company is having, then business entity, which I have not written here right now because there are more modules to be connected over here for such things and all, which I haven't done because this is just the demo of project module only. These are the reason why I've taken all these other modules are because they are interconnected. We need all these other modules for the purpose of filling data inside the project module, which I will show you slowly when the time comes. Anyhow, so right now, so this is now the object of the company. What company is trying to do to be trustworthy partner to those who collaborate with us, organize business. This is our objective. Now give the VAT ID, professional ID PAN number, whatever it is, professional ID service tax number, or the professional IDs of the employees or main managers, data protection or CEOs, whoever they are working for the company. Now the starting month of the fiscal year is April, which I have provided. And over here, type of the sales tax, which the company, I'm not filling it right now because this is a demo purpose. And the job over here needs an accountant, a chartered accountant needs to be filled. So I'm not going through that right now. So that we have filled the company details. Now the social network. When you come down, there is the here over here we need to fill all these details like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, whichever the companies we are working for, and the URLs. Opening hours. Well, I've written as 9 o'clock in the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all these days, and Sunday is closed. Now, the who is our accountant? I have written a demo accountant, Balaji Associates, CA Balaji, I've probably chartered accountant, Balaji Associates, and the address, details, zip, Madurai, India, Tamil Nadu, and his phone number, and all the other details. Let's save it now. Okay, done. The setup is saved. Now let's go to the modules and bring all these modules where we will be working with for the project. In the human resource management, we need this user groups module. So you have to tick the project so that it will be available for us. When you come down, there is a customer relationship management. Tick these projects over here, like you can see on the screen. This receptions, financials we don't want right now. Now the projects and collaboratives. Tick all the module sections like project leads, event organizations, event agenda and resources. When you come down, electronic content management, this is required for the document downloading and uploading. So we will be requiring it. Now the multi-module tools like Weisinger, I've just added it because if any requirement comes, I will have to use it. That's why data imports, data exports, schedule jobs. So hope you have seen and added the module. After adding all these modules, these members, third parties, projects, commerce, document, and agenda tickets, all this will appear over here on this tab over here. Okay, so that's it for the module. How to bring the module in your web browser, if I can say. So let's jump into the project. When you jump into the projects, the reason why we add the project over here is for the control to control the project and to monitor, actually to monitor and controlling the project. These details which we provide over here are for the controlling and monitoring the project, how the project is moving and how many days, how the timelines which it has to be completed, such and such. So when you enter into the project, now there are subsections like leads, tasks, time tracking, and all, as I said. So the task is what which we will be assigning to each and every one in the company, and time tracking also. We will be time tracking each and every components of the project, which I will show you. First of all, let's click the lead. So So suppose imagine that we have got a new lead, like we got a website creation project for the company. The name we will decide first. First of all, this is the reference number. So let me add. This is a default. There was a default different reference number, but right now I will add 00002 as the reference number, and the label which will be adding as democratic snacks. Okay, so democratic snacks will be adding as democratic snacks. This is the name of the company, and fill all these details like following opportunity, following tasks or time spent, build the time spent, manage the organizations of an event. These all things which we'll be doing for this upcoming project. Now the third party which I have given over here already. This is an old one, but you won't be having this Republic Government snacks, which so I'm just leaving it blank. But this is a draft project. So now the lead status. What is the lead status? Whether the company accepted our offer for the project, or it is whether it is in the qualification stage, proposal stage, negotiation. Are we negotiating with the company, or we have just given the proposal? We won the proposal or lost the proposal. These details which we need to fill in. So as of now, I'm giving it's on the proposal stage. Let's see it, which we have provided is in the proposal stage, or we won the, imagine that we won the offer. So it comes here 100% we have won the offer. Now the lead amount for the total project is around 3 lakh. I'm giving 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 lakh. The budget let's give as 2,50,000, and the dates. So as of now, I'm providing the date as from today to the and till say 31st of July. The product, this particular project, we'll be conducting in two phases, like backend and in front end mode. If I can say back end phase and front end phase. Back end phase is where the product is developed, and front end phase is where after developing the product, the launch and such matters will be coming in forward. I will be explaining you those things. Description. Now, write the description of the project. This project involves the design, development, and deployment of a mobile web application to support digital migration and logistic tracking of Republic Gourmet Snack, which I have copy pasted. Now, let's change it to Democratic Snacks products. The project structured in two main phases: front end as well as the back end. Back end and front end. Front end phases. And whom this the tags which may not, won't be coming, because we need to open one more module over here which I haven't done, so I'm not writing it over here right now. Now the visibility, whom this project or these details should be visible, whether it is for everybody, whether it is for the assigned contacts, everybody, in the sense uh, the people who are not part of the project, they don't need to see these modules and details, right? So we will be providing it as assigned contacts, whoever we are going to assign these projects. Now the assign me as contact with the type. Who am I for the project? I am the project leader. Just create the draft. Okay, now we have entered the project details, full project details regarding the web designing or app designing project. This is how it will appear. If you want, you can go and modify. Again, if there is any changes, you can go and modify, and again create any proposal, recreate, create contract, again clone. If you want to clone, you can clone it from here. So these are the events which haven't happened. These events are going to happen actually, and if you want to add the events, you can create the event from here. Give the title, dates, event assigned to a particular person, location where the event is going to happen, tags, categories, such and such and such, whether it is a meeting with third parties and all such and such, you can enter over here. So let's move on to the details. Okay, so we have created the first page of the say, you can say this is a charter. You can say we have created a charter. Now from the charter, we need to move forward for other details, to put in other details, like over here it's already automatically provided by the Dolibarr, who is I'm the third party. So this is the super admin who will be a project leader. Now we need to add some more people to the project, right? I'm so for adding more contacts to the project, what we need to do is we need to go to the third parties. The reason why I am adding more people to the project is that when you assign the task assigning has is going to happen now, like who will be doing the design, who will be doing the development of the project, who will be doing the deployment like QA and all. Now after that, who will be doing the migrations, like cloud migration, if there is any cloud migration to be done, such and such logistics tracking and all, who the scrum master or whoever it is, we need to assign them all the tasks according to this chart actually. Okay, so that is why, so we need the details, we need the contact people whoever we are going to add. So let's go to third party. Over here you can see the contact address, contact list of peoples, new contact address. Over here let's add the details. Quality analyst, first of all let's assign Sukesh, Bhuvanesh, and the third party is, as you know, over here it's coming as a public government, so let's give the name Mr. and his job title is quality analyst as well as business analyst, let's say like that. And the address, whatever you want, you can add Chennai, zip code 62001, state and province Tamil Nadu. I'm providing over here, and the mobile number, email ID, such and such, whether it is shared or private. We need it shared, we need it to be shared, or so I'm just providing it in the shared. Let's give his date of birth. He is born in 1990, say 2, whatever it is. We have added the person. See, this is how it will appear. Now if you want, you can add his personal data over here, and projects which he is going to handle, then the related items, notes, linked files, then events and agenda he will be conducting. Over here already he is going to conduct one event, which is the current project which we are, or the project which I've already applied to him, the public government snack project. So like that, when you add each and every one into the project and click the list, this is how it will appear. Bhuvanesh, quality analyst Sukesh Bhuvanesh, now the development team, QA team, OPS lead, UI team, IT manager, such and such. I haven't given any details over here for these people, but still you can give the details. So this is how it will appear in the list. So now these are the people which we will be assigning each and every task of our project. So let's go to the project. So let's add the details. Label in the sense what is he going to do. He'll be doing first person requirement gathering, and the assigned to is super admin. Billable, yes or no? Yes, it is billable. Now the task date, which we have already mentioned, we need to break the task by date. Say the requirement gathering will be done from 7th 11th of the July till, say, 3 days, suppose, till 14th. Let's clear this out. Date and the planned workload, how much workload the person will be having. Say I'm putting it here around uh, 32 hours, and declared real progress. It is around 70%. 70% of the declared project has been is in real progress. Now the description, what this person will be doing, the super admin, what will be he doing? We need to provide the description. What will be? Conduct meetings with stakeholders to define functional and non-functional requirements for the mobile web app. This is what he is going to do in these 3 days. And the budget, how much budget it is going to be? Let's add, say, budget for the for this requirement gathering session will be around 8,000 rupees. Add it. Such, we need to add each and every person. We need to assign each and every person to the project. Okay. So, and when you add each and every person, this is how it will appear over here. I will show you. See, this is how it will appear. The person who we have assigned for the requirement gathering, cloud setup admin, UI UX design, wireframing, backend setup. So the whoever we have added in the third party list over here in the contact list will be added to the project task details. Each and every one will be assigned to each and every task. Like over here you can see the requirement gathering was added to the person. See, contacts of the task. Who are the contacts of the task? See, Mr. Bhuvanesh, Sukesh Bhuvanesh, and the super admin. Let's go back and see another assignee who is going to see the cloud setup. No, I haven't assigned him actually. So let's see the UI and UX design file framing. Yes, I have assigned the task to him. Again, it's Bhuvanesh. Let's say add it to the UI UX team. See, when we assign it, the person will appear over here. See this. So we have assigned him the dates. The dates which we have assigned to him is from 11th to 13th, and the planned workload is 12. What is his job? This is the job description. Create wireframes and mockups to define the user interface, layout, and the navigation flow. The budget which we are providing him is 25,000, and the clear real progress is 80,000 completed, or 80,000 in progress. So we have given him these 3 days, 11th, 12th, and 13th. 3 days we have provided him for the task. If we want, we can modify the and clone or something like that over here. This is the contact person we have sent. Now the time spent. We need to update each and everything, like how much time he has spent for the from on 7th, 11th, how much time he has spent for the task which we provided, so that it will appear on the Gantt chart, which I'm not going deeper into. So the Gantt chart, you can analyze the Gantt chart through these things, which is a project management thing, which I'm not going deep into. Now the notes, whether if it is private or public, if you have any tickets kind of thing, you can add it over here. Like, see, for the this phase covers the layout and screening, so he has to such and such, he needs to be clean and clear about the project, what he needs to be done, what is Mr. UI UX designer or wireframing designer is going to do or planning to do, or what we are, the users are, the stakeholders are expecting from him. Now the linked documents, we can link the documents over here. Demo purpose over here, I have added this link, like user journey checklist I have added for him to read and understand. This is how I want the details to be. This is for the demo purpose, you don't need to take it. So we can link the files over here, whichever is linked to the particular person from the UI UX design. So such, when you come here, the total, all the front end and back end details are assigned to each and every one of the company. So after that, how much time spent will be shown. So let's see, for example, if I show you over here, see this person, the super admin who is doing requirement gathering, we have, the person has done the duration of 6 hours, and the billing, which I have not done over here right now. How much was the billing which we done for the person for the particular purpose? Let's see. This is the part of cost management. See, 6 hours duration he has done, and the cost which we assigned to him was 8,000 rupees. The requirement gathering, for requirement gathering, 8,000 was the budget which we assigned to him. Now he has spent how much time in the work? 6 hours. So how much it will be? 6,000 rupees only. So 2,000 rupees is our profit, you can say, for the demo purpose. So that's it. So now the notes, which we have already discussed, the notes, linked files and all, which we discussed already. Tickets. Well, imagine when the project was on in the development mode, the dev team member has found a bug in the development at the time of development, and he raised a ticket that this is going to happen, this is the issue, these are the details which I have not written over here, but still just for the demo purpose I have just written it as developer found bug in the data. So now the data has to be provided by the third party or the stakeholder properly to the development team, whether maybe because he hasn't provided the data. Now he has raised an issue regarding this, including the tagging republic government, the third party, as well as the super admin. So now the ticket will appear in front as a notification for them, both of them. Now they will work on it. They will speak to the super admin, will speak to a third party regarding, so you have to provide such and such details and all. After that, when the third party provides the data or whatever it is required for the bug fixing, the ticket will be closed. Over here you can see the contact address of the people, whoever has to be done. The development team name is such and such, so that they can contact each other. Now the linked file, which I have not entered over here, the bug linked file will be posted over here. If there is any agenda, see what is the agenda? See, super admin tickets raised on this day, and the ticket number is 39. He opened all these tickets, ticket this much times and this time, and he is fixing the details. So if you have any other details, you need to enter over here regarding the ticket event. Let's not go deep into it, because that's about the tickets. Now the events and organization. Event organization, whether is there any event to be organized regarding the like a sprint or a sprint review or sprint repository session, whatever it is regarding this particular project, it will be added over here with the details. Label, what is it? Sprint review. Sprint review, say number 1. So what is the description? The sprint regarding, let me write sprint regarding the bug fixing in the data. Now, what is the time of the sprint? What is the time of the sprint? We need to add over here. And what is it actually? The status is suggested, or whether it is confirmed or not qualified, done, cancelled, whatever it is, you need to enter over here, so that the people will get notified, whoever they are. Select event type, which I have not done, that is why it's appearing over here like that. So when we create an event over here as a task, is what will appear in this section, and who all are the attendees. I'm sorry. And so that's it. Now the notes. Is there any notes to be provided to the public government? The linked files over here. Let's see what is it. The linked file. See, these are the people and these are the tasks. These are the things which we have assigned to the person. Requirement gathering will be 7th to 10th. UI UX designing will happen on 11th to 13th. Backend setup will happen 14th to 17th. Front-end development will happen 18th to 23rd. And these are the workloads which they will have to handle. These are the percentage cleared till now. Almost 30% completed before the front end. So that is why it's showing over here like that. So such and such. That's the data which we got from here. So now the events and agenda. See, these are the events and agenda. We just provided, we just returned the edited. We just re-edited the ticket, so that is why it's coming over here like that. So this is it. This is an overview of the project module actually, and I haven't gone too deep into the matters. And the time tracking over here you can see this is the time tracking details. So over here you can track the time, how much time the person has spent. 6 hours. According to that, our budget will be decided. Input per day, how much is the input per day? Input per month. So this is it, and so that's it for today. I hope you understood the overall idea about the project module in the Dolibarr. So that's it for today. Thank you.